What do you do when you have leftover Oreo cookies? You make cookies and cream ice cream, of course. I'm going to show you my extremely easy recipe to make the best cookies and cream ice cream. Why is it the best? It's the best because you can customize it to your liking. Here are the items and ingredients you'll need. A large mixing bowl, a spoon or a whisk, half a cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 cup of 2% milk, 2 cups of whipping cream. Stir until all the sugar is dissolved, cover, and then let sit in the fridge overnight. The ice cream base that we just made, I like to keep it in the fridge overnight to let the flavors meld. You will also need 2 cups of chopped up Oreos, approximately 15 cookies. The chopped Oreos can be chopped by hand or by using a food processor. It really depends on how chunky you want your ice cream to be. Leave the cookies in the freezer for the next day. Pour the ice cream base into your ice cream machine. Turn on your ice cream machine according to its instructions. 10 minutes before the ice cream is ready, pour the Oreo cookies into the ice cream machine. When the ice cream maker is finished, put the ice cream into a freezer-safe container. Put your ice cream in the freezer until frozen. Scoop and enjoy.